So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can turn off your YouTube search history in a few simple steps. So the first thing that we need to do is head over to the YouTube app, and then you want to go over to your YouTube channel. From here, we want to select the profile picture here. And then if we then go to accounts here at the top, and essentially what we need to do is go down to the bottom menu here, and then you want to click on manage your Google account. From here, it will then bring you over to this page. Now, this is the main settings page of your Google account, and the settings that we need in today's video will be data and privacy. And then under the privacy section here, you will now see an option for YouTube history. You want to click on this. So once you are on this page here, all we need to do is click on the turn off button. And then once we select the turn off button, that will mean that you have turned off your YouTube search history and it will no longer be logged inside the YouTube app. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.